Hello, belated Happy New Year, Philippines. Today is dito of January 2025. So, I'd like to express my opinion to the people of the Philippines, most especially to the our Honorable Vice President Sara Duterte, his opponent, his loyalist, is always looking for trouble. So that's not good for the image of the Filipino or image of our Philippines, beloved Philippines. You are not only loving for Philippines. How about the people like me? So that's our concern is to nice Filipinas. So we are helping together. Even though I'm so very poor people, I'm ordinary citizen in the Philippines. I just use the speak English for the other people, and a lot of people can understand what I mean. So there's a many loyalties to our vice president. They have a speeches, trouble speech. So calm down, everyone. Our goal is to good Philippines, benefits for Philippines. So you are not sacrifice. You are not only for sacrifice of what happened or what the situation to come here in the Philippines. So we don't need to make a trouble or civil war or call for step down of our President Bongbong Marcos. We must unite, even though I'm a different of parties, but of course we are support was the people, the we look we look or to know, knowing who's the people, who's the president and vice president to become a good leader in the Philippines. Not only you have a right to select the leader here in the Philippines. How about the ordinary people? So that's why I would like to express my gladly thanks to our vice president. Say message to the people of Philippines. So he concerned about our situation and everything that we need to our hope, our goal, our dreams come good Filipino or Filipino residents or na ordinary Filipino people have a good future for the become tomorrow, become for the new future of the Filipino people. So please, we are united or principle both of us. We are act of friend, both of Filipino. Because of you, we going war. For example, how many years have a trouble in the Philippines, have a war? But who is the benefits of the bad experience? So the for example, the word of the Spanish colonial and the Second World War by the Japan and the Civil War here in the Philippines by the communists and the NPS, and there's a lot of problem here in the Philippines. So what is you don't know if you are realize and you are looking the experience what happened in the Philippines. You are happy, you the one happy for Filipinos pity situation. So that's why I'm so almost senior citizen, Philippine senior citizen. So that's why I have a lot of experience about the situation in the Philippines. But our worried is to national, because the Filipino people, the ordinary people like me, is only to looking for or find a good opportunity for our children. We look every day, every time we find the what is the food for the table of our beloved family. And what's the high rank of the Philippines? That's our dream and our hope. They handle the good for the good future of the Filipino people. Why they want to make a trouble? So that's my sympathy is to share what is our uh, motive or our feelings. So that's why I would like to thanks to the Vice President. We are heard to his continues his we heard his message to the public.
Ang mga inspirasyon mula sa katagang kabutihang ipinakita noong 2024 sa paghanap sa mga pagsubok o pagharap sa mga pagsubok sa taong 2025. Sa kanyang mensahe, binigyan diin ng Pangulo ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaisa at diwa ng bayanihan upang makamit ang pangarap na bagong Pilipinas. Samantalang nagpasalamat naman si Vice President Sara Duterte sa mga Pilipinong walang sawang nagsisikap at nagmamahal sa bayan para sa mas magandang kinabukasan.
Ako ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal sa bayan na ipinamalas ninyo sa inyong pagsusumikap, pagtitiis, at pagtsatsagang magkaroon ng mas magandang kinabukasan.
So that's our goal. All every one Filipino. Our goal is have a good future for especially to our new kid or the new generation or for the future. So that's why she told us we are the one mankind to looking for the good future. So that's our goal. Don't make trouble. Please, our Vice President, we are not angry with you, but we are worried to what is the result of the have trouble and misunderstanding to the national, because you are the highest rank of the Philippines. We are both of you. I am the one also campaigning of your for your running for vice president and both of the president. So that's why we are worried because we have nothing the place if the troubles come, war, civil war, or any war here in the Philippines. The most affected is a poor Filipino, the ordinary Filipino like me. That the only our depend of the farmer, depend of the farm. So where we are go if have a trouble in entire Philippines. So thank you for your kindness. That's I'm very sorry for my feeling is oversight, but that's my worried, and also only my feelings express freedom of speech. So I'm very sorry for I'm not level of you, but I would like to know all of the people, Filipino people. My concern is to gladly thanks to the Vice President his calm down of his emotion of her emotion. The other people, the supporter of loyal supporter to the our beloved Vice President, please we all calm calm down, because if that trouble or what is trouble is starting, what will happen between you and the people of the Philippines, most especially the poorest people here in the Philippines. We are not no place to going the ordinary people. We are not food buying. We are not we are not free going. So what happened if have a trouble? That's why all the supporters of solid supporters of the our Vice President, please we are calm down everyone. This is benefits for all, not benefits of interest of only one. Thank you for watching and bye. Belated Happy New Year. Today is dito of the December 2025.